Hey, hey guys. Today we are going to build, not going to build, I've already built my portfolio website. Let's open it. We are going to do some changes in my existing website. For the context, I'm a full stack developer, React and Node.js, and also I've built this portfolio uh, with the help of Next.js. So let me open it. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's a standard Next.js project. Uh, okay, so for animation, I use this GSAP library. As you can see, let me close it all first and walk you through the project structure itself. So here are my components. Here are the UI components, which are shared CN components that I have used. It's pretty much most application that you see in Next.js will probably be going to using shared CN or Tailwind, or at best they're going to use both of them, and mostly V0 also in default provides the template with shared CN and Tailwind if you're going to construct our project. So let me run this. Let me npm run dev. Okay, so it's live. So my PC is pretty slow because I'm using i3 core generation and 4 GB RAM in this era. So you know the budget is pretty tight if I'm using this setup. But I'm eventually going to buy a Mac. Planning to buy a Mac. If you have any suggestion, then let me know which core processor that I buy, M2, M3, whatever it is. So somehow in Next.js, the loading time in the local server is pretty slow, but when we deploy it, it's quite fast. So let me refresh it again. So here is the header, like most of the, because it's a single page application, so these are all the section about skill, experience, project, content, okay, contact. So here is my first page, first section, and about me, technical skills, work experience, and these are the projects. Some are personal projects, some are companies projects, and this will be the education, and the last will be the connect form. This form is what we say, not working correctly because I haven't done the integration for it. So it's kind of a static form which doesn't do anything. So what I'm going to update here is I have a CV that I want to add in this portfolio. So whoever is going to see this can also download my CV as well directly from here. So I think I should add another button right here for the CV, and it should be able to get download. So the other person can click on it and download my CV. So best way to do it is getting this component, because I'm not going to code myself. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this thing. So let's just, because the whole portfolio I built with ChatGPT, or specifically with V0. So let's just create a new chat. And okay, so here it is. Now what we are going to do is, first of all, find this component, which is probably going to be hero section. So here it is. This is our code, and what we can do is, um, we can add our PDF file in the public. So let me just drag and drop my CV from here to this public page, public folder, sorry. So here is my PDF. We can rename it. It's going to be cv.pdf. Now in my hero section, let's just take this whole component, and should I ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek? Let's ask both of them. So first ChatGPT. So here is my hero section of portfolio, and I want to add one action button. So for CV download, okay, and CV is located in public folder of the Next.js application. So let's copy this first and ask ChatGPT, and same question would be for DeepSeek. Okay, So here he added the download CV button. It's quite generic, and this one is, I think, new attribute in the anchor tag, so we don't have to write any JavaScript to download the CV or the PDF of any kind. If you're using anchor tag, it should work properly. I myself found out this now as we updating my portfolio. Let's see what DeepSeek does. Image. Okay, so DeepSeek did the whole component, so let's just try this one. Okay, so here it is, and here is my new button, download CV, and DeepSeek the did everything with JavaScript, which we do not want. So let's just, for the sake of comparison, I just update my path, and let's see what has been changed. So there should be a download button right here. Do I need to refresh? No. Okay, so here is download CV button. I mean, most probably it should work. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it did work. So I think I have to do more code in this particular scenario. So let's just reset the changes. Git reset. Okay. Okay. Git reset hard. So the changes are gone, and now we are going to use ChatGPT's format. So here is our button. After the get in touch, we are going to add this button. Okay, get in touch, get in touch. Here it is. We're just going to add here, and I'm going to just change the name to only CV. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, so here it is, the download CV button. The one problem that I think is going to be the name of the PDF, because here I have used just the cv.pdf, but what I want is to user to get full name of the PDF, like my name, my full name, and whatever the position that I am currently in, like Himanshu Sharma dash full stack developer, kind of like this. I mean, it's a fast approach with the anchor tag direct download, but I think it could get me the PDF with another name. So can I change downloaded PDF name? Okay, so download name would be like this. I just need to assign like this. So that's great. Here is the CV. I just try to download it again and see what happens. Before downloading, let's just add that download button that we got from DeepSeek. Where it is, right here. So here is our download icon. And need to import this too. Okay, download icon. Save. I don't know why it's giving me error. It's coming from Lucid React. Okay, my PC is slow, that's why. Okay. Undefined. Let's just try to load it. Oh, there can be only one child, so I need to add this icon inside the anchor tag, so the button would have a single child. And just again refresh it. The one problem that I think will be that if I click outside this anchor tag, because the padding here is going to be 8, and if I click in this padding, then the download function won't be working. So for example, here if I click on download CV, it will get downloaded, but if I click here, oh, it is getting downloaded. Okay, so that's great. But let me just because there is a lot of space between download icon and CSV. Download CSV, what we call text. Let's just see why that's happening. Okay, I got it. I get it. No. So inside anchor tag, okay, I'm using margin. There is no need for margin. So it should get into place. Let's refresh it. Mm, it's too slow. Okay, so it's done. So here it is. We implemented a download button in our portfolio. Let's see the light mode. Light mode also looks pretty good. but dark mode is better. So let's just commit this code because I'm using the main branch because it's a portfolio. So why do I want to create another branch and merge into the main one? So I'm directly pushing this code into the main branch. Git add, git commit, cv download, git push origin main. So it's done, and we'll do another video about this contact section because there will be some backend part also. I might use some packages like node mailer, whatever the free packages that I can use to make this work. I will use it. So that's it for the video, and see you next time.